Hello my dear students, good morning to all. Welcome back to our English online class. This is English second book of class first. Okay students, so how are you all? I hope all of you are fine and safe at home. Very good students. So in English second, students, we have completed how many chapters? Very good, 3 chapters. Okay, we have completed 3 chapters in English second. So today in this class we are going to start a new chapter, lesson 4. Okay, so all of you requested to open lesson 4. Okay, student, this is lesson 4 and the name of lesson 4 is being selfish. So student, what is the meaning of this topic? Yes, selfish means a person who thinks only about himself. Okay, means a person who doesn't think about others, means he who doesn't care others. मीन्स जो पर्सन बच्चों सिर्फ अपने बारे में सोचता हो, दूसरों के बारे में सोचता ना हो. ओके, सो सेल्फिश मीन्स होता है स्वार्थी. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. Read each sentence, tick the sentences that tell you about good habits. Okay, so students, here 8 sentences have been given to us and we have to tick the sentences that tell us about good habits. About good habits means the good habits that we should follow. Like you should wash your hands before and after taking meal. Yes, this is good habit, so you should follow this. And if someone gives you something, then you should say thank you. Okay, if you hurt someone, then you should say sorry. So these are some good habits, students, you should follow. Okay, and bad habits, you should not follow them. Okay, yes. So now let's read. You share your toys with your brother or sister. Yes, very good. This is good habit. Okay, we should share, means you should share your toys with your brother or sister. आपको अपने brother और sister के साथ अपने toys share करने चाहिए. So this is good habit. So tick here. Second, you do not share your food with your brother or sister. So student, this is bad habit. Okay, you should share your food with your brother or sister. So put cross here. Third one, you are always in a bad mood. No, this is very good habit. Sorry, this is very bad habit. Okay. Students, smiley face always looks good. जब आप हंसते हो या हंसता हुआ चेहरा बच्चों हमेशा अच्छा लगता है. ओके, अगर आप बैड मूड में होते हो तो कोई भी आपको लाइक नहीं करेगा. ओके, सो यू शुड नॉट फॉलो दिस हैबिट. You should be happy. So cross here. Okay, fourth one, you always stay unhappy. No, you are not such a student. Yes, you are very good students. आप अच्छे बच्चे हो ना? Yes, and you always stay happy. और आप हमेशा खुश रहते हो. Yes, very good. So put a cross here. आप unhappy means होता है बच्चों दुखी रहना. आप दुख नहीं मतलब आप bad mood में नहीं होते हो ना, या आप दुखी नहीं रहते हो. Yes, आप हमेशा खुश रहते हो. So put a cross here. Fifth one, you do not share your things with your classmates. Yeah, this is also bad habit. You should share your things with your classmates. Suppose if your classmates needs a eraser, then you should give him. Okay, and if your classmates needs a pencil or we can say sharpener, then you should share. Yes, very good. So this is bad habit. Okay, do not share means आप share नहीं करते हो. So this is bad. So cross here. You should share. आप share करते हो means you. So cross here. Okay, sixth one. You respect your parents and other family members. Yes, very good. You are good students. Yes, and you respect your parents and other family members. So tick here. आप अच्छे बच्चे हो ना, आप अपने फैमिली मेंबर्स के और पेरेंट्स की रेस्पेक्ट करते हो. वेरी गुड. नाउ 7th one, you say sorry when you upset someone. Yes, you should say, students, always you should say sorry when you hurt someone or when you upset someone. जब आप किसी को हर्ट कर देते हो या किसी को अपसेट कर देते हो तो आपको हमेशा सॉरी कहना चाहिए. ओके, रियलाइज करना चाहिए कि आपने मिस्टेक की है. सो टिक हियर. Okay, 8th one, you do not clean your room. Do you clean your room, students? Very good, you are good students. Okay, you should keep your room clean always. आपको अपना रूम हमेशा साफ रखना चाहिए ना. Yes, very good. So क्रॉस हियर, इसमें क्या लिखा है? यू डू नॉट, कि आप नहीं करते हो और आप करते हो. ओके, सो क्रॉस हियर, ये तो गलत लिखा है. सो पुट अ क्रॉस. सो डन. सो आई होप स्टूडेंट्स यू हैव अंडरस्टूड दिस sentences and about the good habits. Very good. Now let's read this story. Now read a story about a selfish boy. Okay. So one day mother gets lots of fruit. May I have a banana? I ask. We have fruits at night, says mother. Okay, mother replied that we have fruits at night. कि हम means in other words we can say mother says that we will eat fruits at night. कि हम night में fruits खाएंगे. मम्मा ने ये कहा और इसने पूछा कि मैम मम्मा मे आई फ्रूट अ बनाना, सॉरी मे आई हैव अ बनाना, क्या मैं बनाना खा सकती हूँ? मम्मा ने कहा नहीं, हम रात में खाएंगे. सो इन द आफ्टरनून वी ऑल गो टू स्लीप. सो इन समर डेज मीन्स मोस्टली ऑल ऑफ अस go to sleep at in afternoon. Yes, so Sunny stays awake. Sunny जो है the boy means a selfish boy stays awake. Awake means होता है बच्चों जागना, कि not sleeping, वो नहीं सोया, वो जागा रहा. In the afternoon when everyone sleeps he eats all the fruits. Okay, and when everyone sleeps in the afternoon he eats all the fruit. Okay, he eats the fruit alone. Okay, he does not share the fruit with others. We wake up, we cannot find the food. Okay, means after 1 or 2 hours when we wake up we cannot find the fruits. So mother is called Sunny. Scolds में, what is the meaning of scold means? Students, scold means होता है बच्चों डांटना. मदर ने जो है सनी को डांटा, but Sunny is not sorry. Okay, means Sunny does not feel bad. Okay, and he does not say sorry to mother or to father. उसने ना मम्मा से सॉरी कहा, ना ही पापा से, और ना ही उसने कुछ गलत फील किया कि उसने कुछ मिस्टेक की है, ऐसा उसने फील ही नहीं किया. Soon Sunny starts to feel sick. His tummy pains. Okay, friends, when you eat more then you will feel sick. Okay, means your tummy, you will have pain in tummy. So you are a selfish boy, Sunny, she says, means the mother says that you are a selfish boy. That is your punishment. Okay, this is your punishment, that you feel your tummy pains and you feel sick. Means मम्मी कहती हैं कि you are a selfish boy. Why does she call him a selfish boy? क्यों बुलाती है बच्चों वो उसको selfish boy? Because he eats all the fruit. Okay, alone, means he does not share the fruits with our younger sister and the parents. वो अपने जो fruits हैं वो ना अपने parents के साथ share करता है, ना ही अपनी sister के साथ. So this is very bad manners. Okay, this is very bad manners or bad habit, we can say. Okay, so later Sunny says sorry to all of us. Then Sunny feels his mistake and says sorry to them. I will never be selfish again. Okay, and he realizes and his mistake, and then he says that he will never be selfish again, means he will share everything with them. he says everything is fine now and everything is fine now. और सब कुछ अच्छा हो गया. So students, we get a good lesson from this story. From this lesson, that we should not be selfish. Okay, we should share the things with others. Okay, students. So I hope you have understood this lesson properly. Yes, very good. Read this lesson at least 2 times. Okay, and understand the meaning of this lesson. In next class, students, we will do the exercises of this lesson. Okay, so till then, keep learning. Goodbye. Thank you. Have a nice day.